I think there's a lot of opportunities. There's massive opportunities. I think the challenges are for us to make sure that everything we come up with has a real local relevance and local impact. And when you're a global company, sometimes you have a tendency to think that a great solution will fit everyone. And sometimes it works, but you really need to understand the local specificities, to make sure that people will really embrace the product. But to me, there's huge opportunities in Latin America. Like, that's the part of our business I'm the most excited about. To have success in the digital world, I think they need to be very gutsy and accept that, to launch a solution, even when it's not completely finished and ready, and test it and try it with consumers and keep on improving it. That's the way we're trying to work. We're trying to have a very agile process to innovation, where we start with a beta version of a product or a service, and then we launch it, we see how users are responding to it, and then we refine the product based on their feedback. And I think that's what entrepreneurs should really do, and not to be afraid to try things, and involve users. I think is really important. So we need small businesses as much as small businesses need us. We have infrastructure, we have process, we have a bigger budget and know-how. As a company, I mean, our innovation power is incredible. And for a small business to be able to match that is impossible. You can't hire the best PhDs from the best universities in the world when you start your business, but you can partner with us and we can do like a cross-sharing of resources. What small businesses give us is insight on like niche opportunities that we might overlook, that we might not be aware of. A lot of enthusiasm, a lot of passions. That's why it's great to work with entrepreneurs. It's because they're very self-driven. So I think we need each other, and that's the key to success. I mean, collaboration is absolutely the future. I mean, we in my company, we are marked according to how well we collaborate with each other. So it's a very, very important, I mean, successful teams are collaborative teams at the end of the day. And I think, what I like to talk about is great groups, and great groups are based on collaboration. Wikipedia is a really good example of great groups. Everything that's happening in the open source movement is all around that. It's all around collaboration. And I think that's the only way you can come up with innovation, is by collaborating, with people. So to me, what you're doing is great.